try bien amor, 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 clear nín om lu cái anh ring mấy đô nít sắc mê là mối thấy ni sẽ cả trang anh hẳn bì la bụi đuột cả mang ngày dễ mình đi la im mê là try bien amor hey lo ngai thật tê itana kala siam dẹp thu cheng lu hoàn thu cheng hek lu hey mai te hi ka soi tui moi ka ti sak me.
My name is Sankami, your Femina Miss India Mizoram 2024. I am 25 years old and by profession I am a nurse, a role that has not only instilled in me perseverance and resilience, but also it has taught me the importance of compassion and care, and also it has taught me the service to humanity. Though born in Mizoram, I was raised in Assam and Tripura, where I experienced richness in diverse cultures, and it has also taught me that there is beauty in every diversity. Growing up, I have faced significant obstacles, but these challenges became the foundation of my strength, and it has transformed me into a woman of empathy and perseverance. And it also made me realize the importance of not only healing others on a physical level, but also by contributing it to the society by promoting mental health and emotional well-being. My vision is to foster a world where compassion is the norm and mental health is supported and embraced. Through my profession and my personal journey, I aim to be the voice for those in need. And with that being said, no amount of obstacles we face in our lives are bigger than our beliefs. Even faith as small as mustard seed can move mountains.
Namaskar India, I'm Rona Ipui, 23 years old, your first Miss Universe Mizoram. I hold a master's degree in English and Cultural Studies, and I am an avid reader. I am a passionate advocate for education of displaced people who I have empathy for. I also do digital marketing to support myself. For me, beautifully confident means being comfortable in my own skin, thankful for who I am, embracing all my flaws and imperfections, be humbled and yet knowing that there will never be another me, and making the most out of it to fulfill my purpose that God has in store for me and do it wholeheartedly. Thank you so much.
Amor, amor, mai. Email try bien amor, 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 clear nín om lu cái anh ring mấy đô ni sa